Jina langu ni Dorothy Njeri Ng'ang'a. Yes, na mimi ni mkazi wa Nairobi. Currently I'm a video editor and a graphics designer. I used to love art. I used to really love art, painting, colors, anything creative. Yeah, I used to do a lot of creating, art and crafts. Yes, colors were really my thing. No, sikusomea graphics shule. Yani the first major I didn't know. In fact, I did IT, information technology at JKUAT. It was chosen by my parents. Okay. My father really thought IT was the way to go for now the generation, because also my mom wanted me to do nursing. But I was just listening to them debating. My dad wanted me to do IT. My mom wanted me to do nursing. So at the end of the day, my dad won and I went to study IT. Oh, co-practice, I did it the first year of after graduating. I went to Kenya Post Authority to do my internship. So it was a great platform. So we really, I got a little bit of experience, but my mind was not there. Truly speaking, still, I was just doing it because I found myself doing IT. It is so interesting because IT is broad. Kuna hardware and software. So me, nilikuwa na inclined kidogo. I was interested kufanya the theory part, and sometimes kuna coding kidogo, some programming. So those are still in my interest, but so unless now I venture deeply. Still I was drawing and painting. Still, when I was in school, I still did painting. I used to do printing of t-shirts, designing of logos. It was just my passion. People knew me as just a creative person. If someone had something which needed to be designed or created, posters for concerts, anything. Yeah, and that time the social media was now coming up. Yeah, so mtu anakuambia kuna kaposta nataka mtu nitengenezee. Yeah, so basically I just learned slowly kidogo tu from a friend and maybe just my creativity. Yeah, as a hobby, I have a lot of hobbies. Okay, another passion I have is cooking. So that one I really and I enjoy creating menus, and I love to see people smile because food always makes people smile. So I've also tried going to pastry. So I make cakes as a side hustle. Yeah. That's something which I always try and perfect and be better every day. Yes. I think times have changed. This time, saizi wakati kama huu, I think you can sit down with your parents and reason and tell him, look, this is what I have passion for. And yes, I can do whatever you want, but please also give me a chance. I venture on kitu ile mimi ningependa kufanya. Or you can deal. You tell your parents, okay, let me do my whatever nataka kufanya, and I promise maybe I won't let you down. Yes, so I promise to work it out and be successful na ile kitu mimi niko na passion na. Okay, after doing my internship for IT, I looked for a job for a while, and I couldn't get a job. So whatever my passion, whatever was my passion, ndio ilikuwa inanipatia income. So I think they came to accept kuwa huyu IT yes ni kitu amesomea, but kazi hajapata, so anaweza pata income from elsewhere. Yeah, na hiyo passion yake inamsaidia. Business any day, it comes a lot of challenges, but there are good challenges. Inakufanya unakuwa na experience, and you can create jobs. If you venture into a business, you always have, like it's dynamic. Leo unaweza kuwa na idea hii and unajaribu kufanya, then inazaa idea nyingine. Yeah, hivyo. People wote ambao kwa in business wanasema fanya kitu ambao unapenda. Unaona, hata mimi wakati nikianza ku bake cakes, kuna time hata ilikuwa silipishi mtu. Nilikuwa naifanya out of passion. Rafiki yako na birthday namfanyia for free. Sometimes hata the ingredients I just give out for free. So ukiwa na passion, kila kitu itakuwa rahisi, kwa sababu ukiwa na passion, hata ikiwa ni saa 6 usiku unaweza amka na ukafanya ile kazi without kusukumwa. Lakini kama ni kitu ambacho unasukumwa hauwezi fanya. Yeah, uchumi umepanda, so kila kitu bei yake iko juu. So kuuza ama kufanya biashara imekuwa ngumu kidogo, lakini the trick is ni kuwa the best. Ukiwa kwa business, just do your best, kwa sababu watu wengi sana wanafanya the same business ambao wewe unafanya. Kama tuseme unauza, tuseme unatengeneza gari, wewe ni mtu wa kuunda magari, the best car is the one which sells the highest. Hata kama inauzwa bei ghali, but kuna mtu atakuja atanunua. Yeah. So nasema usione kama ni challenge, kuna competition. Just do your best na utapata tu biashara.
Asante.
Thank you.